I just want to thank all the AU fans, all the AU Blue Crew fans.
Shout out to friends and family who have been with us throughout the highs and lows of our season.
It hurts. I mean, we all competitive. It was a good season for us. We're going to miss Tony a lot. We look forward to next year.
Get some rest. These guys have put in a long year, a lot of effort. It's a terrific job by them. What a great accomplishment. We've gotten awesome support from our students, from the Blue Crew, from all our alumni and supporters all year long. And we're just excited about getting started and preparing for next year.